Amanda. Yeah. And then Uncle Nebs. Uncle Nebs, come closer, come in front of Des. Yeah. Yeah. And then where's Mushe? Oh, he's here.
Hi, Lutuli Kamini. We're here at Four Ways funeral place where they bury people. There's a lot of dead people here. We've come to shoot Vusi Nova's latest music video. He's dead. We are family. I'm his uncle. And we've come to bury him. That's the narrative, that's the storyline. And it's a pleasure to be here. We are with some wonderful people, and we are more than happy to be here, even though we are in a sad place. There's a lot of dead people.
Like this now. You know what I'm saying? Paul.
There's a video. So this is a video, so lines or whatever.